Hi there, welcome to my video on how to make money on YouTube without filming in 2021. Now, in a moment, I'm going to show you the best way to turn a profit with a specific traffic source. But for now, let's get into the video. Now, why wouldn't somebody want to film themselves on YouTube? Well, there are a few things. Number one, you could be camera shy. English is not your first language. Maybe privacy is a big deal to you. You want privacy from your family and friends, and maybe your work or your career doesn't necessarily allow you to have a public platform, or it might be a conflict of interest. So these are just a few reasons. Sometimes people don't like their appearance online, and public speaking is a thing. Although you're not in front of many people physically, you are in front of a worldwide audience when you're online. So these are a few reasons why people don't want to film themselves on camera, and that's fine because there are ways around it, and I'm going to show you 3 specific ways that you can circumnavigate this. But before we do that, you just have to remember that the majority of niches, in fact 99% of niches, do not require you to be in front of the camera. In fact, there are so many channels built around content that doesn't involve people themselves being in front of the camera. And this is why it's amazing, and everybody should be taking advantage of this, because whatever insecurities you have or layups you have, you don't have to present them. You can literally just use these tactics I'm going to show you right now to create content and monetize them and make money online. So one way you can do this is something called Creative Commons. Now, this allows you to use other people's content legally to make videos. And this is normally seen in compilation videos like the best of, top 10, top 5. And doing this allows you to not only tag onto viral topics like sports and funny videos, things that have already gone viral. You don't only get to take advantage of that, you also get to monetize it by maybe putting an affiliate link or something below to make money. So what does that look like? So let's say you've typed in NBA. You're a big NBA fan and you want to create an NBA channel. Well, these are all videos, you see, but you're not allowed to use these. But what you can do is come around here, click filters, and scroll down to something called Creative Commons. Now, once you click Creative Commons, it's going to generate a whole bunch of videos that you are allowed to use. And all you have to do is figure out what your angle is. Is it top 10 dunks? Is it top 10 stills? Whatever video you're trying to put together, you can just go through this section right here and pick videos out and then make a custom video with all these videos just chopped into little sections. And now you have your own unique video that you can put out there. And maybe you have a product or an affiliate link, something that you can show people at the end to say, if you're interested, you want to win your chance to get this jersey, basketball, or whatever affiliate product that is related to the topic you're talking about, then you can make some serious money because you are taking advantage of videos that have already done, as you can see, 481K. Getting hold of this review video, for example, and monetizing it along with other review videos, this can be a big deal. So Creative Commons is pretty useful, especially if you're starting out and you don't want to be in front of the camera. Maybe you don't have all the equipment. Maybe your specific niche is something like the NBA where you technically have to have this footage, right? So this is a great opportunity and a great way for you to get in there. Now, another way you can make money on YouTube without filming is using a software called Vidnami. Now, I've just got a quick trial for 14 days just to show you guys the process. So once you've signed up for your free trial, right, or the actual product itself, maybe you upgrade later, what you're going to do is you're going to be presented with a dashboard like this. Now, depending on the style, you can pick, but you're going to probably want to use this format here. But it gives you so many options. So let's say we want the cool blue option. You're going to click that and you're going to say, use this template. Now, this is where you're going to write the script. Let's just quickly grab a random article. So let's say it's top 5 keto. Let's say we copy that and we just paste it in here. So you've put your script in here and now it's going to create a scene or the scenes. It's going to start creating the video. So what this is doing is generating different scenes, images, videos to go along with what the content is in your script. And just that quick, it's generated a video. So what does this look like? It gives you the ability to go through each scene to make sure it makes sense. So let's just say we're happy with this. We move on to the next section, which is voice. Now this is great because it gives you the ability to put an auto voice in. So you can play Kate. Oh, this is a trial. So let's say you're...
Hi, my name is Heidi and I would love to read the script for your video.
Don't really like that. Let's try Anna.
Hi, my name is Anna and I would love to read the script for your video.
Okay, so let's say we're happy with Anna. So because this is a trial, I can't necessarily use the voice options that they're giving me right now. So that's fine. What we'll do is we'll move on and go to preview. And now it's putting all those scenes that you had previously together. Now this is how powerful this is. Remember, you haven't filmed anything and you're about to get a high quality video with actual subtitles and music in the background, maybe if you choose, or an automated voice if you choose. But let's see what this ends up looking like. So as you can see, you've got a great looking video to put on your page. And this is the power of making money on YouTube without filming, because you literally don't. So there's no excuse. You can get in there and do this for any niche that you want. And this is just incredible. So once you've done that, that's enough of that. So once you've done that, all you'd have to do is upload your video of whatever you've talked about and put an affiliate link here. Now, this person's put his affiliate link all the way at the bottom. I always advise people to put your affiliate link above the fold. And above the fold is this section here, before where it says show more. Because not everybody is going to want to go through all of this and read all of that. And if your affiliate link is all the way at the bottom, you might be missing out on a lot of sales, right? Just because it involves somebody taking one more step, which is clicking. Where if you make it easy for people and you put it in the first line or the second line, then you've got a winner. And now you've got everything you need to start making money on YouTube without filming. So the third and final one is to outsource it using a site called Fiverr. Now Fiverr is somewhat of a freelance website where you can get most things as cheap as $5 or £5, wherever, depending on where you are. But let's say $5. And this gives you the ability to churn out a lot of quality videos, products, logos, websites, whatever you're looking for. Fiverr literally has it. But in this case, we're looking for videos. So let's say you came here and you thought, okay, I like the look of this. All you'd have to do is go to Fiverr, type in the search term of the video you're looking for. So in this instance, we're looking for whiteboard and animated explainers. And they will show you what they offer. So this is slightly more expensive because we haven't typed in $5, but essentially for I think this is around $10. For $7.42, it's around $10. It includes an animation of 50 words or less with full HD, 180p quality and background music. And this is up to 60 seconds. And then you can go to the premium, which is a bit more, but then you get more content basically for the same duration. Or you can type in and customize, maybe you want 1,000 words. Then it will show you exactly how much it is. But if your budget is a concern, what you do is animated video explainer, let's say, and then you come over here to budget and you can type in 5. What that's going to do is going to give you people that offer a service of 5 signed in. So for $5, basically, I'll create an animated explainer. So this might be more in your budget. 2 days, 20 seconds might be more, but 18. So you see, you get a variation of exactly what you might need or what might work for what you're looking for. And those are the 3 ways that you can literally make money on YouTube without filming. Now, to be fair, that's the content part of the game. That's how do you produce the content. How do you monetize the content is where the money comes into play. So I've shown you how to create the content, right, without filming. But now let's get to the money side of things. how do you monetize this? You've got your content, whether you've gone through Creative Commons, whether you've gone through Vidnami, or whether you've gone through Fiverr. You've managed to get a video that is going to work for the niche that you're working in. The next step is, how do you monetize this? How do you make money from all of this? Well, depending on what you do, you could be into e-commerce and Shopify. In that sense, Shopify, Amazon FBA, or whatever other means of e-commerce that you're into. All you have to do is create a video with the product image, given a bit of a description or showing images of different angles of the product or different uses of the product. And then you compile this video and put it on YouTube. This way, once it's on YouTube, you can put a nice link to your store below. And this is how you're going to make money. Now, personally, affiliate marketing is the best way to go. Why? Because it's a zero cost business. The product's already produced and manufactured and ready for you to go. You don't have to waste your time looking for inventory, storing inventory, dealing with customer service, dealing with marketing material. All of that is provided for you. All you have to do is create the content and send people to where they need to make the purchase. So you can go to places like ClickBank, which has so many products to offer. So as you can see, if we go over to Marketplace, you're going to find all these niches that you can literally get products from, right? So you can just pick one of these products and promote, make a video about the product, and start driving traffic towards your affiliate link. Now, another way to make money is to use Google AdSense. Now, this involves you joining YouTube's partnership program, which is great. You know, you can make some money out there, especially if it's viral content such as the top 10s. They tend to do really well. The only problem is you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to do this. And that could take a while, or it can be pretty quick depending on, once again, what your niche is. But I personally believe the best way to go about this is using organic traffic. Why organic traffic? Well, you're not paying for it, number one. So you become profitable out the gate once you start making money. So what does this look like? Well, you're going to create a video right here. And if you follow a specific system, which there's a free training for, which I might place in the description or pin to the top comment. But feel free to check that out. It's a free training, right? But essentially, if you follow a specific system, what that's going to do is going to guarantee that Google shows you some love. And this is where we get the free Google ad. Now, what does the free Google ad look like? Well, let's go to ClickFunnels. So for the search term or the keyword ClickFunnels reviews, there's 3,600 monthly visitors, right? And if you want to advertise here, it's going to cost you, and if you want to advertise for this keyword, it's going to cost you $12.08 per click, which is very expensive. That's why you see ClickFunnels using it, Fiverr, bigger platforms. You don't really see individuals here because it's quite costly. However, these people here have not paid that to be on the front page of Google. And this is what we call a free Google ad. Why? Because your video is placed on the front page, and guess what? They are making a lot of money. Why? Because this is a buyer keyword. This means that somebody is interested in buying and wants to come here to get a review, a second opinion on whether they should or not. So this guy has put himself in a position to be seen by 3,600 monthly viewers. And that's the power of getting free organic traffic, especially when you know exactly how to do it. Not everybody knows how to do it. And that's why I've definitely put the link below for the free training so you can really get a clear understanding as to how you can do this yourself and make some real good money. So thanks for watching, guys. Listen, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, like, leave a comment below, as I have way more videos coming up. The next video will be about YouTube email list building strategies in 2021.